The National Testing Agency (NTA) has announced fresh dates for cancelled and postponed examinations. In a notification issued yesterday, the NTA said the Ugc-Net June 2024 examination will now be held between 21st of August and 4th of September. Joint CSIR Ugc-Net June 2024 examination, which was postponed as a preemptive measure, will now be held from 25th to 27th of July. The National Common Entrance Test for admission to the 4-year Integrated Teacher Education Program, which was also postponed, will be now conducted on 10th of July. The NTA has advised the candidates to visit its official website www.nta.ac.in for further information. The Federation of Persons with Disabilities